Hello friends, this is the unboxing video of Intex Jogger B headphones. I bought this recently, so thought to give a review of the product. The price of this Bluetooth headphones is 1,200 rupees in Amazon. It is compatible with mobile, PC, TV. In the box you get headphones, charging cable, instruction manual. Note, you can use this headphones from aux pin and Bluetooth. This Bluetooth headphone are designed for the peoples who does jogging, maybe so its name is Jogger. Features, wireless calling, digital controls. It is multimedia headphone. Headphones is heavy. Battery. Power button. Media change button. Next song. Previous song. Volume up and down buttons. Charging port. Mic. Let's turn on the headphones. Oh, I guess we have to charge the battery. Wait, let me connect the charger. Red light turn on when headphones is charging. Now I will turn on headphones. I heard it already, it's nice headphones with awesome bass effect. Volume up to 30. Thanks, see you in the next video. Subscribe to Best Infotech. Also say your friends to subscribe Best Infotech.